you if you're gonna tell lies. Sam?
Anyways, let's go tell my cabin.
Sam, you're being really weird. Let's go.
How are you already here?
I took the elevator.
Okay.
In 5, 4, 3, 2. I'm Carly.
And I'm Sam.
And this is
iCarly.
Woo! Yeah, Sam? What's up?
There's steam coming out the vents again.
There's no steam, Sam. Stop being silly.
I'm not. I'm for real.
Yeah, anyways, back to the show. We're going to do Baby Spencer.
Where is Spencer?
I don't know. The door is it's fine, Sam. My house isn't haunted.
But I just saw this door open up and close.
I didn't see it.
Because you were turned around.
Whatever. Okay, sorry, I'm late here. Hey guys, sorry I'm late. She's just fooling you, Spencer. The house isn't haunted.
I swear to God. I swear on my life.
Sam, stop being silly. Anyways, we just died. What?
What?
Our webcast just died. I didn't press anything. It just died.
See, Connie, I can prove it to you that your house is haunted. Your webcast just died without them pressing anything.
I still don't know why you're being so silly.
What? You know what? I'm gonna prove it to you. And then you're gonna feel so embarrassed.
Let's get downstairs. Our webcast just automatically died. I'm guessing the internet just made something, just whatever.
How did you get down here so fast? Alright, Carly, look at your door. Look at your door.
Ah! Why is it doing that? You were right, Sam. I'm so embarrassed.
I told you.
We need to move out. I need to move out right now.
I'm gonna go pack Spencer's things.
We have to get out of here, Sam.
Okay, pack Spencer's things.
Okay, I'll go get my things.
Okay.
Come on, Sam.
What?
What happened?
There's something in this
Maybe the whole complex is haunted.
the whole place is haunted.
Maybe the whole apartment complex is haunted, yeah. We really need to get out of here.
You leaving?
Bye! Get out of my lobby!
Move out my way, old lady.
Sam, he's not a lady!
I thought we'd come in and, like, half of the place is, like, just... Stop moving! Moving!
Why is the whole building destroyed? I'm knocking this over.
Oh, I didn't do it.
I did it, Sam.
I did not
You
do
can
it.
destroy this. What happened to the groovy smoothie? Oh, Sam, look.
That wasn't me. That was me.
Sam, that was me. I can't even look at Bushwell Plaza right now.
I destroyed it.
I can't even look at Bushwell Plaza right now.
I
Where else could we go?
To the school.
Oh, no, Sam, we can't break in. Every door is locked.
Yes, we can.
Okay, we're in.
That one was easy to do. Oh, look, it's my painting that you took the blame for.
I just don't even remember that moment. I'm just so scared. I don't want to go back home. I don't want to go home. I don't want to go home.
What do we do? Where do we sleep?
I don't know. Probably up in this basement, I guess.
I'm going to sleep with this.
Okay. I got you! Spencer?
Okay, so you're telling me there was no ghost, and I packed all your stuff for nothing.
Spencer, why did you do that?
I'm gonna punch you.
No, Sam, don't, Sam, don't.
Are you going to?
No, Sam, you're not punching Spencer.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
How are you gonna stop?
Sam, it's just a prank. Oh, wait, Spencer, don't go on your pranking spree again. No, you don't.
Fine, I won't kick him in the chin.
But I'm still mad at you, Spencer. You made us pack all of our stuff for nothing. Ah! Ow!
I am so sorry. That was meant for your brother.
I told you not to punch him.
I am still gonna do it.
No, you're not, because I'm stopping you.
When he least expects it. When he least expects it, I'm going to do it.
Sam, you were not allowed to come over to my house for a week. Oh my God, Sam. Oh yeah. I'm still ticked off with Spencer for making me pack all of our stuff. Like, Sam packed, like, it was just so annoying. Out!
I told you I was gonna do it when he least expected it.
Out! Whatever. Oh my gosh. What a crazy day. Get out, Sam. I told you you can't come back here for a week.